Lust. Are you tired of the same old vacation spots? Look no further. Today, we are exploring 5 exotic places you can travel to within the United States. No passport required. Our first stop is Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Did you know that it's home to not one, but 2 of the world's most active volcanoes? You can even hike to the top of the largest volcano on Earth by volume. Make sure to visit the park's Jaggar Museum for a closer look of the area. Next up, we have San Juan Islands in Washington State. These islands are the perfect place to unwind and relax. Take a kayak tour to see the orca whales, or even explore the many art galleries and restaurants in Friday Harbor. And don't forget to try the island's famous lavender ice cream. Our third location is Sedona, Arizona. Known for its stunning red rock formations and spiritual energy, Sedona is a must-visit destination for nature lovers. Take a hike to the Cathedral Rock, one of the most photographed landmarks in the area, and also make sure to visit one of the many vortex sites for a unique and calming experience. We are moving right along onto the Outer Banks in North Carolina. This 200-mile long stretch of coastline offers something for everyone. Relax on the beach, go fishing, or visit the Wright Brothers National Memorial to learn about the history of flake. And don't forget to try their local seafood. Last but certainly not least, we have Santa Fe, New Mexico. This city is known for its rich history and vibrant art scene. Visit the Palace of the Governors to learn about the city's past, or explore the many art galleries and museums like these here. And make sure to try the famous green chili. Well, there you have it, guys. 5 more exotic places you can travel to within the United States. Which one will you visit first? Let me know in the comments below, and do not forget to like and subscribe for more travel content just like this.